How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher failed to initialize? First step, close Rockstar Games Launcher, open Task Manager, search for Rockstar Games Launcher. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Scroll down and check it. Click it. Click End Task. Restart your device. Once the restore complete after move on with next step. Open this PC. Go to C drive. Program files. Click it. Click Rockstar Games folder. Click it. Click Launcher folder. Scroll down. Click Uninstall. And make sure leave uninstalled game data uncheck. Then click Continue. It should be in disable mode. Click Continue. The Rockstar Games Launcher has been successfully uninstalled from this system. Close it. Then move on with next step. Open this PC. Go to C drive. Program files. Delete the files and folders of Rockstar Games Launcher. Click Rockstar Games folder. Delete the files and folders inside the Rockstar Games. Close it. Then search for program files. If there is any files available means you need to delete it. Once deleting after, you need to restart your device. After restart, go to the official website of the Rockstar Games Launcher. Download and install the latest version. Once the download complete after, click install. Follow the instruction and install it. Rockstar Games Launcher has been successfully installed. So once the installation complete after, you need to wait for some time. Checking for update. It's updating the Rockstar Games Launcher. Once complete after, you need to restart your device. Thank you.